there's always steps we can take on the margins day by day, bit by bit, to improve our privacy protections, to be thoughtful about sharing location information, to make sure that we ask for affirmative consent before sharing information about another individual. We also need to be thoughtful about what apps we have on our phones and the ways that we are exchanging our information as a form of payment.
I don't like to tell people to not be themselves, because then we have a situation where people are just self-policing themselves. As a democratic society, we were never consulted. Law enforcement just starts programs out unilaterally, and then we have to face the consequences or reduce the harm for years and years after that. So my approach is to have people be forceful and come out and say, no, we don't want this. It's not like we need a better, less dangerous version of this technology, but this technology should not exist. So facial recognition, for example, there's just a simple 2-letter word to facial recognition, which is no. So I think that kind of an offense, right, where you're actually going out and putting the onus on your government, as opposed to trying to lessen the damage the government does to you, I think that's the best thing that communities can do.
You know, enacting local policies that decrease kind of the ability for governments to conduct mass surveillance. So fighting against sharing of data. But then I think the other piece of it is, you know, pushing, developing policies within the city to have more clarity around, like, even when a technology comes in that seems neutral, that it's not designed for policing, how can those technologies start being used by police to surveil people? I think part of what we need to do is develop better legal frameworks to protect people's rights.